Welcome to the Dropee daily combo for the 1st of November to 2nd of November, and a quick tutorial, basic tutorial part 2. Alright, so in this video we're going to be talking about the daily combo for today and tomorrow, and then we'll go through a quick tutorial again, and then we'll wrap up the tutorial in the next video. Alright, so let's get started. First, before we go over there to do that, let us quickly activate the double trading per hour. So we'll go here to boost section, and then we come here, free 10 minutes TPH times 2. So that's activated. So we'll go over here now. You can see it's 877.9k now. So we now go over to improve. Okay, so now here, the first card we're going to upgrade for the daily combo is, let's quickly go back there. Let's look for brand repositioning. Let me see. Okay, we have payment gateway partnership. This is it. So that's the first card, the payment gateway partnership. Okay, so that's it, the first card. So the second card, we'll go over to PR and team. Okay, so here we look for brand repositioning. So let's scroll down and see if we can find it here. This brand ambassador program, community ambassador. Okay, here's brand repositioning. So I upgrade that. So that is the second combo card, and then the third combo card is under legal. So just go over to legal and we look for litigation preparedness, and here is it. So that's it, combo completed. So we get 569,000 claim price. All right, so good job. All right, so that's completed. That's the combo for today for the Dropee for the November 1 and 2. Then the next thing is to go over to reward section. So we'll talk about the spinning. So here is very straightforward. So under spin here, you can actually earn some USDT. How to get USDT in Dropee? Like here now, it's through the spinning program here, the spinning rewards here. Like you can see that I have 2.6 USDT. I got them from this spin. So let's spin. I have about 75 spins. So let's see. Let's hope I could also get extra USDT here. Oh, come on. I got it. Oh, narrow escape, right? So I got 940,000 D, and I could watch ad for to get to double it. So let me just watch ad and double it. Okay, so now 15 seconds ad gone, and it's been doubled. So I can spin a second one. It can also get a lucky box. Let's hope. Oops. Oh, come on. It enters 0.1 USDT. You get that? So that's how you can get USDT from there. You can see 0.1 USDT. So shall we do one more? Now it's increased to 2.7. Let's do one more. Maybe we can get lucky box this time around. Oh, it's another USDT. Under USDT, that's 0.1. So it's increasing to 0.8, 2.8. Maybe we can do one or two more, because let's see if we can get a box. Oh, this is 18K. I could watch the ad. All right, so that is that. So you can go ahead and complete other tasks. Now let me go to quest section and claim my completed task bonus, and that is it. Go ahead, complete the task. All right, I've got extra 3 spins. Go ahead, complete the task, and let's see in the next. Get your combo. Like the video, share it, comment, and subscribe if you're yet to, and let's see in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.